Galing lang namin doon sa wetland. Ngayon, there's a video more on parrot ata.
Selamat datang. 大家下午好. My name is Lynn and I am your guide. Today we will be discovering birds from all over the world. But first, meet my friend, Wami.
Hi everyone! Well, I am a birder. Now I don't just look at birds, I look for birds. I travel from Scotland all the way to Zululand and down to Antarctica to look for as many birds as I can in a single year.
Did you hear her? Zululand, Antarctica. She's so passionate, but a little bit crazy.
Indeed, crazy for birds.
Crazy for birds. That's a good way to put it. But please do share with all of us here how many birds have you seen?
Oh, okay. So last year I saw about 700 birds. Well, before the year ends, I would like to break my own record and see 1,000 birds or even more.
Is this bad for her? Hashtag show off.
Hey, hashtag I know, right?
Alright, funny jokes aside, let's begin our journey right now by meeting some smart, colorful, but truly incredible ring birds. First stop, South America. Oh, look at the one we are driving down the coast. And then taking a boat ride on the Temple Batam River. You might see the footprints of a jaguar, orange spot, a red owl. Look around you, everyone!
Wow, really amazing. I want to see more birds. So let's fly to Southeast Asia. Let's go fly. Okay, stop here.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Mandai Bird Paradise in Singapore. Did you know that we are home to more than 3,500 birds, over 400 alien species?
Wow.
400 alien species. Enough birds for you.
No, I want to see more than that.
I knew she would say that. Everyone, let's welcome more special friends on the park. Wow. On this afternoon, we have Higgins and Katie. Now, Higgins with me is a green ringed macaw, one of the larger parrots in the parrot family, and he's about 10 years old.
Well, here with me, I have Katie, the South-crested cockatoo. Now, cockatoo like Katie can be found in Australia and certain parts of Indonesia. Also, when it's yellow, can all of you see the crest? It's yellow, right? Now, that is how these birds get their name from South-crested cockatoo.
For parrots, they mate for life and, in fact, make devoted parrots. In the wild, they make use of abandoned tree cavities, such as these, to build nests for their young.
Now they use bugs, dry leaves, once they have these materials, they will then put these into the nest. But if the cavity is too small, they will use their beak to make the hole bigger. So let's have these two ways to demonstrate it, shall we? Katie?
So,
Katie, right here. Good job. Well done. And got Higgins, right here. Very good. Okay, let's start, shall we? If you want to see what's happening inside the tree trunk, take a look at our screen. Whoa, Higgins, look, that's you. Katie, come on, say, peekaboo. Where are you? Well done. Thank you very much, Katie. Higgins and your wonderful trainers. Can you stay in the car? Oh, the master is right on the screen. Oh, I'm not looking for that, mister. I'm looking for... I found it. This rooster. Rooster? No. That is an Amazon product, not rooster. Okay, listen. You see, let's hear the rooster. Rooster. Let's get the rooster again. Well, actually, this is Quincy, everyone. Quincy and Amigo, both masters of mimicry. Alright, Quincy, besides being able to mimic the rooster, what else can you say? Did you catch that welcome message? Welcome to paradise. Do you want to hear that one more time? Yes, Quincy, one more time. Alright, okay, now let's hear other animals. Let's hear the cat. Okay, how about the electronic ringing tone of the telephone? Let's give Quincy a big round of applause, everyone. So when parents learn and using sounds and calls, they are just doing what their families do in the wall. When you can make human sounds, they are just doing what they hear around them. And of course, in this case, Quincy and Amigo's family will be our Magna staff. Okay, so next year our family members will be some song, shall we? Now, would you like to sing hello? Oh, very sweet hello. Now we can sing his name on his own. Now let's get him to sing, okay? Here's everyone. What's your name? Did you catch that? Okay, one more time. What's your name? Amigo! So Amigo is his name. Now Amigo, how would you like to read all these nice people? Oh my God! Now how did this come to the good? Yeah, awesome! So Amigo is singing a special song. So by any chance anyone is celebrating your birthday today? Yes, okay, we have one lady right there. Anyone else? Just raise up your hand. 2, 3. Oh, okay. So this song is for the three of you, okay? It's for you. Now, Amigo, are you ready to sing for them? Let's sing! But wait a
your own pet parrot. Nevertheless, can we give Quincy and Amigo a big round of applause?
Well, everyone, each hundreds and thousands of these birds, 80 years, we get to 80. Now, it is a lifetime commitment. If you think we make good parents, but they don't.
Well, if you love birds so much, just come back to Bird Paradise where you can see all these beautiful birds instead. Right, Tony?
That is right, indeed. So, what's next?
Oh, did you know that our Wings on the Wall presentation is sponsored by
Oh, that's really cool. I didn't know that. But I do love Fruit Loops.
Fruit? Yes, our next segment is brought to you by Fruit Loops and Look. Our very own Fruit Loops Ambassador Elmo, the Total Toucan. This afternoon we will show off his flying skills by flying through the giant Fruit Loops.
They have very flexible body, which allows them to fly through gaps in the forest just like that giant fruit loop right over there. So once again, Elmo will be flying with you. Back to Kenya. Let's go.
Good job. Well done, Elmo, and of course, thank you very much, Kellogg's, for sponsoring the Wings of the World presentation.
But right now, we are going to look at an important species in Asia, and that is the Oriental pied hornbill.
Oh, Bonnie, I recognize that bird. Everyone, that is Oris, and he has a special story. He fell out of his nest when he was a chick and got injured. Usually in the wild he would not have survived, but right here in Mandai Bird Paradise, he was nursed back to health and now has a safe, permanent home with us.
Well, hornbill and toucan, they have two major differences. Now, toucan, they are from Central and South America. Hornbill by Oris, they can only be found in Asia and Africa. The hornbill, they have a distinctive feature over their beak called enhanced. Now, they can be a small range, white beak, or even brightly colored.
Oh, one. Are there any other differences you can share with us about them?
Oh, yes, of course. And the both of them, they are great hoppers. And one watch out for the hop. What a very cute white parties. And what too? Now, hornbill, they have three toes up front and broad soles. Toucans, they have two toes up front and two toes at the back. Now, we give them the strength and stability when they move up and down branches in the forest. Anything else you can spot, Nikki?
Oh yes, their tongues. Everyone, hornbills have shorter tongues than toucans, but most species are able to catch fruits and toss it back into their mouth. Watch this, okay?
Oh, wow. That was a fast catch. That was certainly a good catch. So hornbills and toucans, they are great flyers. Now they are great at catching prey in mid-flight. So let's have Elmo to demonstrate this first.
Okay, I'm all ready. 1, 2, 3. And also fruits.
Whoa! What a great catch! If you have missed that, let's watch all this action. Ready? 1, 2, up and away! Whoa! What a catch! So everyone can give Elmo and Oris a round of applause. Well done, guys. Well, everyone, hornbills, they have very unique nesting behavior in the wild. Now, they love to nest on tree cavities, just like they nest right on their tree. So, here in the paradise, you don't have to leave your seats to look at their nesting behavior. Well, earlier on, we just met Oris, the Oriental pied hornbill. Everyone, keep your eyes right up there. Let's welcome Heather, the Papua Green Hornbill. Oh, really? What? Elmo's not back over there. Hold on. Hold your horses.
Elmo! Go back first before I send you right back out, okay? Everyone say bye-bye, Elmo!
our village, it means they will be blessed with good luck.
Well, the way that Pepper was skyrocketed up, we are all blessed with good luck this afternoon.
Very blessed indeed. Well, everyone, female women like Pepper, they are very fussy about their accommodation. Now, it has to be spacious and have HPV so that they can escape if they want to. Another green park, they by Hotfield.
Speaking of best care, hello everyone, my name is Kelvin from Mandai Bird Paradise. My team and I work hard to keep our birds enriched, engaged, and active. In a short while, I'll be introducing you to some more of our beautiful birds. So let's give us some time for everyone to get ready. Looks like we're ready, so keep your eyes right up there and let's welcome our beautiful conures. Here they come. One positive level is an additional device called a monkey fish. It is grown highly knot, and these knots will be a treat for the bird to forage. Now, these objects express their natural foraging behavior as they would in the wild. Onion is originated from South America. Once widespread, they are now endangered. Over 800,000 of these birds are sold into the factory every year. In fact, there are more colliers in people's homes than in the wild, which is a big tragedy. Now, collier is tend to stay in flocks, like as you can see on the monkey team right here. So please do not keep them as pets. In the world, there are over 40 species of colliers, and we have shown them on the monkey team. So that's a level. Let's give them a big hand, everyone.
Thank you very much, Calvin, for sharing some enrichment insights for our resident audience. Which one? Right over here.
Well, everyone, birds, they are everywhere. Social or solitary, loving and fiercely protective of the young, smart and agile. Well, they are one of the strongest creatures that you can find on this planet. That is the reason why I love traveling across continents to see them. But what I would love is to see birds from all over the world, right here in London.
Bonnie, I'm excited bird address. Let's make your wish come true.
Really? How? That's